Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets. Today, we've got something for all you couch surfers and smart TV aficionados out there: the Arteck 2.4G wireless touch TV keyboard. If you're tired of fumbling with your remote, this might just be your new best friend. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews. Let's jump right in, shall we? The Arteck wireless touch TV keyboard is all about convenience and control. If you've ever wished for a smoother way to interact with your smart TV, gaming console, or HTPC, this might be your answer. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the easy setup. It's as simple as inserting the nano USB receiver into your TV-connected computer, smart TV, or HTPC. No drivers needed, just plug and play. You'll be typing and using the trackpad in no time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This keyboard isn't just about typing. It's also equipped with a touchpad for seamless control. Imagine effortlessly navigating through your favorite streaming apps or browsing the web from the comfort of your couch. Plus, it comes with media hotkeys for quick access. Need some space to stretch out? The Arteck wireless TV keyboard offers a wireless range of up to 10 meters or 33 feet. That means you can control your TV-connected computer from virtually anywhere in the room, even if there are some obstacles in the way. Say goodbye to that tangle of cables. Compatibility matters, and this keyboard has got you covered. It works seamlessly with Windows 10, 8, 7, and Chrome OS. But that's not all. It's also compatible with TV-connected computers, Raspberry Pi 3, Xbox PS3, HTPCs, and more. It's like having a universal remote for your entertainment setup. Let's talk about typing comfort. The Arteck keyboard features whisper-quiet, low-profile keys that bring a new level of comfort to your fingertips. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or sending emails, you'll appreciate the comfortable typing experience. Plus, the keys are designed to last, with a durability of over 3 million continuous presses. Last but not least, imagine sitting on your cozy couch, feet up, and controlling your TV with ease. The extended 10-meter range makes this possible. No more hunching over a coffee table or struggling with tiny remote buttons. With this keyboard, you're in control, and you're comfortable. So, there you have it, folks. The Arteck 2.4G wireless touch TV keyboard. If you're ready to upgrade your TV watching experience and take control of your entertainment center, this keyboard might be just what you need. If you have any questions about this nifty gadget, or if you've already tried it out, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome tech reviews. Until next time, stay connected and tech savvy.